Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the IXP battery powered motion sensor lights for outdoor use or indoor as you like, because you can install it where you like because of the battery powered. We have 1500 lumen. It's a floodlight, IP65 waterproof security light with motion detector. It's a wireless for outside use light for the yard, for example, because it's battery powered and you can use it in or outdoor. The floodlight is powered by 3D batteries. This is not three dimension, it is 3 times the D-type batteries. These are the bigger cells there. That means it is easy to be installed anywhere, even if without main power socket or sunlight. And we have a high sensitive motion sensor light at a 160 degrees sensing angle. The motion sensor is sensitive enough to pick up the motions 50 feet away, from 0 up to 50 feet range of motion sensing. We have 3 adjustable light panels, providing with a light coverage than a single or a dual headlights. And we have 1500 lumen super bright and energy efficient device, because the battery powered outdoor lights can reach up to 1500 lumen for 20 seconds when detecting motion at the night, and stop works in daytime, of course. It is super bright, and at the same time it has to be energy saving, because it's not a good thing that you have to replace these batteries each week, of course. No. That means battery powered means has to be an energy saving device. And we have a wide use of in and outdoor use. The floodlight with motion sensor could be installed indoor or outdoor, such as garage, warehouse, driveways, backyards, basement, entrances, and so on. And with the IP65 waterproof level, the battery powered light is qualified to stand up to potential harsh weather conditions like wind, rain, snow, and of course freezing weather. So you can use it nearly everywhere except underwater. That's not possible. We have 240 light emitted diodes, battery operated light here. Battery powered, 1500 lumen, IP65 waterproof, PIR motion sensor, sensing angles 160 degrees, and the detection of distance 15 meters. Motion activated, LED battery security lights, auto on when motion is detected at night. This saves energy. Automatic switch off, and if there is light in the area, it does switch off automatically, of course. And we can install it everywhere, and it works for a season. Because it needs installation, not in sunlight, not at the dark side, where you like you can install it. And we have an AC wired floodlight here. That means no AC wired power is there, no prop for that, because it's battery operated. We have a solar powered source, no prop, because if there is no sun, it will work, because it's a battery powered device. We does not need a solar device. That's a good thing, because this makes it individual to assemble it where you like to use that battery powered motion sensor light system. And you see, you install the 3D type batteries into the housing. Then, of course, you can install it anywhere, anytime, where you like, with only 2 screws, because there is a mounting bracket. And after this, you slide this in position on top of the mounting bracket, and then push the button on the bottom side, and it will be automatically switch on while it is nighttime, for example, or it's dark time in your garage, for example. And if there then a motion is detected, like a person is coming through or something else, it will automatically shines your way with a lot of lumen, with 1500 lumen. And after a couple of seconds, it will stop working for saving energy. That's all. Easy peasy, This is the IP65 battery-powered motion sensor outdoor light. It comes in one pack. You can also buy two if you like, or three or four. The installation screws and plugs are included, and the tool is there, so you can easy peasy make this happen at your home, and then you will have a light at the daytime and nighttime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.